Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, My Producer Journey. I'm talking about goal setting. I've been talking about this in my last few videos, and we've already looked at the vision stage. We've looked at the dream stage that came before that. Now we're going to break down that vision stage and look at goal setting. So goals. Goals are, I guess, a little bit more abstract, but a little bit more detailed than the vision. It's about having goals that are outcome based, essentially. These outcomes will be the ones that culminate in realizing the vision. Now, the goals need to be in duration of 12 months, and they fit in to the 3 to 5 year vision that you've got. So these goals will be looked at over at least minimum of 3 years, and you need to then develop on those. So I would look at just the first year goals and what you need to do as part of achieving that vision. What you need to start by doing here is looking at goals that you can break down using the acronym SMART. So S for being specific. The goal needs to be specific and detailed enough to be able to detail what you need to go away and achieve. It needs to be measurable. So so either external based, as in someone else is basically providing the result, or something that you know that you achieved within a certain time frame, for example. It needs to be achievable. Obviously, you want to try and set something that you think is something that you can do. By all means, it can be a stretch goal, but I mean, try and be realistic and set something that's realistic here. R, in terms of it should be relevant, in that the goal is linked and associated to the vision that you're setting. And I guess the relevancy and the specificity of the goal kind of go hand in hand, because the more specific you can be about it, really relevancy will come and part and parcel of that anyway. And finally, the T, which is time bound. These, as I've already said, the goals have to be within the year. So you could set these goals shorter than that if that's what you want to do, but it's within that acronym that you need to think about 2 or 3 goals that would funnel up into the vision. So again, these aren't as detailed as they're going to get. We're going to go into the next stage, which will be looking at certain details that we need to do to enable to feed into these goals, but this is the next stepping stone. So I'm going to stop there. I hope that helps you guys. I'll speak to you on to the next one. Any comments, any thoughts, drop them in the comments box below, and the obligatory subscribe and keep posted on to the next ones. Thank you very much. Bye bye.